This is a demonstration on how to set up your workspace when you're making websites. First of all, you need to open up a text editor. I'm going to use Sublime Text. So I open up a new Sublime Text. I'm going to move it over to the left side of my screen. Now I also need to open up Google Chrome, and always use Google Chrome. And when I click the button, it opened up a window on my other monitor, so I will bring a monitor over to, I'll bring a window over to this monitor. Okay, so then I drag it to fill in this half. So now I have, on one half I have my text editor, and the other half I have my Google Chrome, and I'm going to do my work on this side, and I'm going to view the results on this side. Now, I need to have a file. I need to put my work into something, so I'm going to do File, Save As, and I'm going to name this file index.html. Now, when you do this on a PC, especially the PCs that are around at St. Paul College, you'll just name the file index and then save as the HTML file type. Let me save. Oh, but before I save it, where am I going to put this file? I need to find it back. It's very important to have a clear place to keep your files. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to make a new folder called Websites. Websites plural maybe. Okay, create. All right, so now I have a folder called index.html. I'm going to save in Websites. Save. All right, now I'm going to type something so I have something in my website. This is my website. Okay, now on this side, now I'm going to save it so I have something to save. Now to save, you can do it like this, to hit the file and save, but don't do that. That's not a good habit. When you're working with programming and with making websites, you have to save things a lot, and you have to refresh files a lot. So you need to learn the strokes to do that. So it's very easy. On a Mac, it's just Command S. On a PC, it's Control S. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do Command S, and then I'm going to go over here. Now I have to find this file on this side so I can view it. And I can go File, and I'm going to open a file. Go to my desktop, my file called Websites. This is my folder file I'm working on. Okay, open up. And here, now I see this is my website. And I'm going to add a little HTML marker to see if that works, right? So here's now this is my workflow, right? Because now I have it set up. Now here's my workflow. I make a change on this side. I save it. Go to this side. I refresh the page. Now I could just hit the refresh right here, but it's faster to refresh the page by doing Command R or Control R. So I'm going to do that instead. And now I can see I just added that H1, and now I can see it on this side. And that's how we set up our workspace. I want to show you one more thing. When you're working with a text editor, there likely will be a button called Run or some shortcut that will let you get from this page to this page a little faster. So I'm going to go open this up over here, and I'm going to go right click on here and do Open in Browser, and then as you see, it found where this location was and opened this up in a browser for me. I have Chrome set up as a default. You have to make sure that Chrome is your default if you do it that way. Anyway, that is how we set up our workspace when making websites.